Okay, a little bit different scenario here. We are on a ferry. We're going to Bowen Island. Curtis is going over for like a quick little job, like an estimate, and Rowan and I tagging along for the morning. And Rowan is captivated by the ferry, so this is going to be a fun day. Yeah, we just thought we'd go over. I thought I'd bring you guys with us, do like a short little vlog. It's a really cute little town, and yeah, I just thought it'd be fun today. So we're gonna go. Nice view at the bottom, and we're just gonna go and get, I guess, an early lunch. It's like 11.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, we got her anyway, so yeah, but it's really nice.
Yeah, so it is a customer of mine bought a property here.
At the very bottom.
Right there, what you can see right there, that little house there, that's a cabin that sleeps, I think, 5 people. 4 or 5 people or something, or maybe it's 4 or 5 bedrooms.
Oh.
I can't remember. But anyways, that one's going to be rented out on Airbnb. And down below, full-on house.
Yeah.
But that one has 4 suites and then a master suite in it. And that one's technically a bed and breakfast.
Oh, okay.
But you don't, there's nothing shared. Every suite has their own kitchenette and
nice.
bathroom and stuff, and there's no access into the main house. So it's,
nice.
It's kind of like a hotel almost.
Yeah, yeah.
Full 180-degree view of the water.
Yeah, it's really nice.
There's no way I'm going back down the hill to show you though. Like the hill, you can't tell from here, but it's very steep.
Yeah.
So much so that we parked at the top and walked down.
Yeah, we weren't sure where it ended, so and if there was room to turn around, because there is like other people parked down there.
There's also construction, so you don't want to be on tire.
Yeah, exactly. So, anyways, it was nice to see that.
Yeah.
We haven't come to the side of the island to look at houses, so we're going to get something to eat. We might do like a little drive around the island. So, bring you guys with us. This one's hungry. Yeah.
You can see her in there.
Upper Bowen?
Yeah, but it's like the artist village or something, or artisan village?
Yeah, there's lots of businesses. We're currently at Artisan Eats Cafe. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just based on the pastries.
Yeah, we haven't got our food.
We get strawberry, cream cheese, like toaster strudel. And then this is a Nutella praline croissant. Like a rolled croissant. And everything in there looks so good. There's like meringues like the size of this. They call them enormous. It's on the label. And the sandwiches look good. I think they bake everything here, like the bread, everything. So I can't wait for lunch. This one's snacking on the strudel. Napkin.
Just get it for Rowan?
Yeah. Crispy cauliflower bowl. I'm so excited about it. It looks delicious. And you got, look at your sandwich. It looks so good.
It's like the size of my fist.
Yeah. I'm really excited to eat. Rowan's is a little bit hot, so she's also gigantic.
She's munching on bacon for her.
Yeah, she's a happy camper. So we're gonna dive in and eat lunch. We just finished eating, so I'll let you know the food was 10 out of 10, delicious. I would come back and just to eat the cauliflower bowl I had. And Curtis is at the, what do you have, the bacon, egg, brioche sandwich. I mean, it looked really good, so.
What do you think?
Rowan, enjoy your quesadilla, yeah. And the pastries. So, definitely highly recommend coming here to eat. Right? Yeah. So we're just leaving Artisan Square. It's this little area, the upper part of Bowen Island, and it has like places to eat, a chocolatier, what would you call it? Yeah, the little shops and businesses, artists, clothing stores. It's really cute. Definitely have to come walk around and explore it. We're just gonna go for a drive. Someone might need a nap. We're gonna go the other side of the island. There's a couple bays, it's like a 10-minute drive, so we're gonna go do that. And maybe she'll nap for a little bit because we've missed already the ferry, so we're gonna drive around for a little bit and we'll take you guys with us. The west side of the island. So we just drove around the island for like a couple hours while this one had a nap. And
She was great. She slept the whole time.
slept the whole time, which was fantastic. And we also discovered like a couple other little beaches, and there's so many nice houses, like so many nice houses with amazing views. So that was kind of nice actually to explore the island. Never really have gone to drive around it. So it'd be nice to come back for a night, right, Curtis?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So anyways, we're just in the lower part of the village now, and we're just gonna walk around and get to the grocery store. Yeah, just check out the little shops along the way. There's a cidery somewhere. I don't know where it is. We're gonna find out. Left all the umbrellas pretty much in the car too. Got one. Rowan's got her rain thing, so she's okay. But
I guess the only thing to do is to go to the distillery.
that's the plan.
Can we go over there now?
Sure. See if it calms down to go down to the marina. That's pretty.
Yeah, the marina as well. End goal, but
Yeah.
okay.
It is absolutely pouring out because so we're ending the vlog in the car because Curtis, we were soaked walking back up. I'm wet, Curtis wet. Yeah, it's a monsoon right now is what it feels like. So we are just waiting for the ferry. It comes, I don't know, like half an hour from now. So luckily, yeah, we don't have to wait too long now, and we're just gonna go back home. And that's our little trip to Bowen Island. Wish it was a little bit nicer out at the end of it, but oh well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog, and yeah, we'll just see you in the next one. Bye!